everybody. So here we have the SxS skid plate aftermarket for the Talaria Sting. It's going to replace the really thin metal one that they have on here. It just bolts right on. It looks like we need what size is that? It is a T25 Torx. To take these bad boys out, they just come out like that. One there, one on the other side, and one down here. And and it looks like you need a wrench on the backside.
While he's pulling that off there, I'll go ahead and give it kind of a close-up of the skid plate. So this looks like a PETG style skid plate. I don't know what the exact material is because we just found out this existed like 10 minutes ago. Moto was kind enough to hook us up with a deal on some stuff. So, of course, we bought the bike from them as well. But they had these skid plates there, and we're like, hey, why not? We'll throw one right on there today. Looks pretty beefy though. It's very similar to like the AXP skid plates that I've used on my dirt bikes in the past. It's going to be way better than the stock.
So to take that out was the T25 Torx, and the backside is a 10 mil.
And this is the directions from SxS. So should be good enough to read that if you want to. But I mean, this is super simple. Like easiest skid plate install you'll ever do in your life. Their sticker is pretty thick, nice material, if you care about that kind of thing.
That one off.
Watch the master work.
Oh. Okay. Oh, maybe the other. Damn. Flips right down. Yeah. So here we go. Here's the stock skid plate for the Talaria Sting. That's pretty thin. That is thin stuff right there. And look, we've already...
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Well, they drain holes, but still...
We smacked it a few times our first time out.
Yeah,
so
right there.
I can't imagine that lasting if you're really smashing it very long. So,
and it's just right. The motor's right there exposed.
Yeah, so you can see that thing that says Talaria right there is your motor controller, and then that's your motor. So if you bash through that plate and hit your motor, I feel like you're gonna have not such a great day.
On the SxS, we have a 4 mil Allen, and it looks like some sort of spacer, which might be a little bit of a pain to get it all together. We're going to take the stock, which was actually not a Torx T25, although that worked. It's an Allen 4 mil. Okay, so 5 mil for the underside bolts. We're going to loosen it all up, because it does talk about stuff being loose, which might... Oh, see, we couldn't even tell that slid.
Wow, yeah.
Okay. That explains a lot. I'm like, that doesn't really fit.
Also, reading the directions helps.
No. Never read the directions.
Yep.
Take your 4 millimeter Allen socket, preferably is what I like. And then this goes into here with the washer.
That's with the spacer too, right?
And never forget to, again, yeah, I hate when it gets crusty. Take your Loctite, put it on. The more the merrier. Take this piece, I think, just goes in like this. And with this type of plastic, usually it will mold once you have things tight and you don't take it off for a while. So the next time you do it, it's a little more precise than when it came shipped. It was probably all bent in the package. So that looks nice. Oh, look, it covers the bottom of the controller. That is nice. Oh yeah. 80 foot-pounds of torque. No, don't do that. It's just wrist, and you know. If you don't know, don't do it. Have somebody do it. Bring it to us.
That's what we call cross-threaded in place.
I like to go until it spins many, many times.
It is definitely fits really well, and it looks fantastic.
It's also longer in the back too, so it's covering up more back here than the OEM one just covered to out there. So this bracket's covered.
Very nice.
And what I really like about it is that it covers the front of the controller, which we kind of talked about needing something that would cover that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video on the SxS skid plate. It seems like it fits the Talaria Sting really well. We'll see how it does, and we'll be reporting back to you. Please like, subscribe, and check out our other videos, A&M Moto Toys, Meeker Extreme, and Ferret Face Fell Productions. Have a good one. Bye.
That SxS, it just
I know, it does not flow.
Feels like
I keep thinking K.
feels like you're like tongue